The government and the Philippines' largest telcos have gathered at the Philippine Telecommunications Summit 2026 as they press for internet that is more affordable and more widely available across the country. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. said connectivity is not simply about its speed, but about how it can open up opportunities in education, public services, and people's livelihoods.
Kasama ang Department of Information and Communications Technology, isinusulong natin ang mas mabilis na reforma upang maging mas mabilis at abot-kaya ang ating mga binibigay na internet services. Kasabay nito, patuloy natin pinapalawak ang saklaw na konektibidad sa buong bansa.
The president noted the sector has made clear progress with 5G now reaching more areas, more fiber optic cables being laid, stronger mobile broadband, and a growing range of digital services. Providers have deployed more than 1.8 million cable kilometers nationwide, connecting thousands of homes, classrooms, and markets, crucially linking people to opportunities once out of reach. But he also acknowledged there are still obstacles to more access, which continue to widen the digital divide, including slow granting of permits, right-of-way restrictions, fiber cuts, and power outages.
Kailangan magkaisa ang pamahalaan, ang pribadong sektor at mga lokal na pamayanan sapagkat walang iisang sektor lamang ang kayang harapin ang mga hamong ito. Kumilos tayo na may isang hangarin, ang maghatid ng pag-asa, ng ginhawa at pagkakataon sa bawat Pilipino.
Some measures, such as the Konektadong Pinoy Act and wider infrastructure sharing, are also being cited as ways to avoid duplicate spending and bring down deployment costs. The National Broadband Fiber Backbone Project has reached 690 government agencies thus far, with nearly 17 million people benefiting. There are also 9,500 active free Wi-Fi access points in more than 5,000 public spaces, while more than 89,400 subsidized SIM cards have been distributed to students, teachers, and indigent communities. DICT Secretary Henry Aguda said the push is also timely, with the Philippines holding the ASEAN chairship this year and as the country seeks to present itself as a regional technology hub.
Nakita nyo naman yung makasama natin from Globe, from PLDT, from Smart, from Converge, from Dito, is to show support na they are answering the call of the President for more affordable, better quality and faster internet and pervasive internet connectivity. This is to tell ASEAN and share with them na the Philippines is open for business, na we can be an ICT hub, both for connectivity and for AI compute.
The government stressed it wants closer coordination with telcos to speed up rollouts, reduce the cost of expanding networks, and bring reliable connectivity to communities that remain unserved or underserved. Denise Osorio for the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.